All right, this is the current Polypack machine. So our intention would be that we could keep this set of conveyors coming down. This conveyor beginning in this spot is a tilt conveyor which can dump onto this table, or it can feed the new 800 series machine, because this Polypack here will be taken out. So we'd keep this conveyor, Polypack comes out, Polypack oven comes out, Polypack exit conveyor comes out. New 800 series machine, 2 intermediate conveyors, and the shrink tunnel would be in this area. This is another exit conveyor that we already have, so our desire would be that we could keep this exit conveyor. We may have to take it and shift it downstream to make room for the shrink tunnel. We have this kicker here that'll kick out onto this table.